It is the Wirecast Gear 3, third generation of the Wirecast Gear. I can't pick it up, it's too heavy, but this is an integrated solution. It is a dedicated computer running Wirecast Pro. And what I really love about this puppy is the horsepower that's under the hood. You've got discrete graphics, so you're going to take advantage of all the graphics you can push on it. Wirecast Gear will run Wirecast Pro. It'll give you every feature you want it. One of the things about any software that you're running on your own white box solution or a laptop is every time you add more and more features, graphics, encodings, you can essentially tap out the computer you're running on it. The beauty of the Wirecast Gear 3 is it's built for everything you can throw at it on the Wirecast side. There's HDMI and SDI versions, and there's HD and 4K versions starting at $74.95. All flavors available for under $10K. A great way to go. And one of the things I like to remind people is if you're thinking about that product, you can download a trial version of Wirecast, play with it, get familiar with it, and then decide, hey, is this something I want to buy the software alone and try to run it on my own computer, or do I want to get a turnkey solution that I know is going to do everything that I need to get done? So congratulations to the folks at Wirecast Gear, under $10K, great solutions.